Hello, I am Deepti and I welcome you to the 9th episode of Talk Physics. Today, let us talk about some physical quantities that we need to know if you want to talk about electricity. So, there could be physical quantities like voltage, current, resistance, and so on. But we need to begin this discussion by getting to know charge. Charge forms the central place when it comes to talking about electricity. Unit of charge is coulomb. A charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. This means that 1 coulomb of charge is equal to the charge on 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. Next comes voltage. Voltage is measured in volt. Notice that all these units, be it coulomb or volt, or later we'll talk about ampere and ohm, all of them are named after scientists who devoted their work, who devoted their life for studying all these physical quantities. So voltage, as I said, is measured in volt. 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points if 1 joule of energy is used to move 1 coulomb of charge from one point to the other. In fact, voltage is the driving force in an electric circuit. A current is established in a circuit due to the voltage. Do you know what is the voltage of your pencil cell? Yes, it is 1.5 volt. You do also have some batteries which give you 9 volt voltage. Next comes current. The unit of current is ampere. Now current is charge per time. So 1 ampere of current is amount of charge 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. Or in other words, we can also say 1 ampere is the amount of current in a material when number of electrons having 1 coulomb charge are moving past a given point in 1 second. Now there's a famous law known as Ohm's law, which talks about the linearity between voltage and current. So if you plot a graph of 2, it gives you a straight line. The simplest statement could be written as voltage is a product of current and resistance. Unit of resistance is ohm. So 1 ohm of resistance exists when there is 1 ampere of current in a material with 1 volt applied across it. Now, the charge that we pay to electricity board is in terms of the measurement of power. Unit of power is watt. 1 watt is the amount of power when 1 joule of energy is used in 1 second. Or power is the rate at which energy is used. Power and time are multiplied to give work done. Or in other words, work done W is equal to the product of power and time. When current I flows through a resistance R, the power is given by the product I square R. So P is I square R. In it can also be expressed in terms of voltage and current. In that way, power is the product of V and I. Now, can you tell me whether power can be expressed in terms of voltage and resistance? Yes. Power is equal to V square divided by R.